Alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulih Nabil Kareem. Honorable Dr. Abdullah bin Abdul Mohsen Al-Turki, Secretary General, Muslim World League, His Excellency Umar Al-Bunyan, Consul General, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Excellencies, Consul Generals, members of Diplomatic Corps, respected Imams, Dr. Yok Chow, Chairman, Equal Opportunity Commission, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, just 5 minutes past. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, by whose grace and blessing we are gathered here today. On behalf of Board of Trustees, I would like to extend warm welcome to all of you for attending the conference on dialogue and peaceful coexistence. First of all, I express shock and sadness over the brutal terrorist attack in Paris. Almost 130 innocent people lost their lives. Muslim community of Hong Kong stand with the people of France in hour of sad and grief. We must stand together as humanity for combating the terrorism, which is a major threat of our times. On behalf of Muslims of Hong Kong, my sincere appreciation to the Muslim World League and Secretary General Dr. Abdullah bin Abdul Mohsen Al-Turki for shouldering the responsibility to organize this conference. It is an honor and privilege for the Muslims of Hong Kong to host this conference, our first time in history of Hong Kong.
Yes.
We are gathered here today to find common goal, which is to work on the agreement among the followers of all different religions and cultures. Due to recent changes in the global politics, the present times are tough, and obviously there is more need to come together and stay together. We are now facing a challenge to prove our identity and existence as a dignified community. Such gatherings prepare the ways for peaceful cooperation and coexistence of the people of different cultures and backgrounds. The Muslim World League is well known for its long history in the field of interfaith and efforts for spreading the culture of peace and coexistence around the world. The government of Hong Kong have made commitment for protecting the rights of all people from different religions and beliefs. Hong Kong is a multicultural and multi-religion city with a mutual racial population living in peace and harmony